Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to share an account link on Facebook using your Android device. Whether you want to share your profile or a friend's, this updated method makes it simple. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. First, launch the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account, ready to connect with others. Step 2. Navigate to the profile. Next, go to the profile you want to copy the link for. This could be your own profile or someone else's. Just find the user you wish to share. Step 3. Tap the 3 dots. Once you're on the profile, look for the 3 horizontal dots located next to the messenger icon. This menu gives you access to various options. Step 4. Tap Share Profile. From the menu that appears, select Share Profile. Now, you can choose how you want to share it, via Messenger, email, or even copy the link for other platforms. And there you have it. Sharing an account link on Facebook is that straightforward. Whether you're sharing your profile or connecting others, this feature makes it easy to stay in touch. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.